and there's nothing I can, you know, I can't say a bad word about him. Now I'm looking at him and I'm like, if I'm being honest, you got to be one of the first names on the team sheet, especially if Liverpool are trying to get back to, you know, a better playing style and better kind of position in terms of, you know, better form. You know, he's got to be one of the first names on that sheet. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, man. But like I said, big up to Hugo Ekitike. Keep doing your thing. I'm impressed. I'm definitely impressed. You've definitely been one of the players this season in the Premier League that I've looked at and thought, yeah, he's decent. He really is decent. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section, people, in regards to Ekitike. How has he been for you? You know what I mean? Like how have you liked him, you know, since coming here? And I'd love to know what your thoughts were prior to him coming to Liverpool, and if you thought he was going to do as well as he's obviously done, you know, thus far for Liverpool. And as I said, just long may it continue. Long may it continue, man. But guys, make sure you smash a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys